Hello guys, welcome back to me talk about the one only thing we all love, money. In today's video I want to share with you how you can make money on TikTok in 2021. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. TikTok is slowly becoming one of the most popular apps, and that's because it's easier to grow on TikTok than any other social media platform. The algorithm can make your video go semi-viral even if you have just 10 followers. And another thing that makes everyone enjoy using this platform is you get to create any kind of content no matter your age. But the biggest question is, how can you use this to your advantage and make money? Firstly, if your goal is to make money from TikTok, you need to be creating content that is entertaining. If the algorithm decides to promote one of your videos, you want those people to check your other videos. You can make money by promoting local artists. In almost every video on TikTok, there is music playing in the background. There are songs I've heard for the first time on TikTok and I ended up downloading those songs. Local artists now pay creators to promote their songs. Usually they approach you, but if you have followers less than 100, you may have to approach them. You can approach them either on Facebook or you can approach them directly if you know them in person. On TikTok, the most important thing is not your followers but your views and engagement. That's why you can approach local artists even if you have 10 or 20 followers, as long as you have a number of views. If you are a small creator with less than 100 followers, you can charge as little as $1 per song. I know it may sound like it's nothing, but think about it. If you promote like 10 songs, that's like $10. You can promote 10 songs of the same artist or 10 songs of different artists. $10 is 147 rands. And remember, it's not like you're gonna pause your life and create content for this particular person. You're still gonna be creating your normal videos. You're just gonna put the song in the background. So there is nothing extra you're doing. You just have a more specific song in your background. Of course, if you get more views or you have more followers, you can charge more than just $1. And remember, if you are a small creator, you have to go out of your way to find local artists. Everyone wants their song to be popular, especially local artists. So if you're gonna go to someone and you offer them that you're gonna promote their song for $1 or for $2 or for $3, best believe they will most likely pay because they want people to know about their music. So this is one way of making money on TikTok. Song promotions can make you a lot of money, especially if your TikTok is more about dancing. If you love dancing or you like doing dancing challenges, you can get paid for this because you can use certain music that you're getting paid for. 99% of the time when people find dancing challenges on TikTok, they use the same song to recreate the dance. That's how the artist's music get promoted. Of course, not everyone's on TikTok to dance, but does that mean now you can't make money because you're not creating dancing videos? No, you can still make money by using Amazon Finds. If you go to TikTok and you type Amazon Finds, you will see many videos of people advertising products from Amazon. And when you click on their comment section, there'll be people asking where can they get the product. The creator will normally reply with check the link in bio, and that link in their bio is usually an affiliate link. When people click on that link and purchase whatever product that they are advertising, they get paid. They get a commission from Amazon. There's a lady by the name Layla on TikTok that I know personally. She created a video advertising a USB stick that she already owned. She then put a link, Amazon link, on her bio. Obviously she probably bought it from Amazon but long time ago. Then she put that link on her bio. People were asking her where she got the stick and she directed them to the link. She made over $800 from that link alone because more people were purchasing the USB stick. But you may be wondering, does this mean now you have to go to Amazon, buy a product, then create a video, promote it with the hope of making money? No, you can use a product that you already own, or you can repost other people's videos. When you go to Amazon Find, you realize that most videos don't have any faces. People keep reposting the same videos and then they put different affiliate links. It doesn't even have to be Amazon. It can be any platform that is mostly used in your area. For example, if you are in South Africa, I know most people order using TIK TOK. I don't know if they have affiliate program, but let's just assume they do. If they do have affiliate program, you can register with them, and if you buy things online on TIK TOK, then you can do the same thing. Affiliate marketing goes a long way. Even here, you can get commission from promoting hair. If you bought a wig from a company, you can negotiate with them to give you a discount code, and if people buy through your link, then they give you maybe 10% or 20% of the sale. Advertising on TikTok is so nice because you don't have to create a dedicated video advertising a product or a service. You can just be wearing that wig and doing something else and people will ask you. And even if they don't ask you, you can tell them without them asking. If you like the wig I'm wearing, you can check the link in bio. 1 or 2 people will definitely buy, and when they buy, you make money. The trick with affiliate marketing is you need to know your audience. You need to know your people. people what they like. You can't copy someone from the US, for example. If you see them advertising something and they make money from that, it doesn't mean that you in South Africa or in Zambia or wherever, you can also make money advertising the same product. You need to know what your people like and you advertise what they would most likely buy. Thirdly, you can make money on TikTok by driving your audience to your website. It can be a Shopify website where maybe you're doing drop shipping, or it can be your own website, or even if it's a free website where you are posting things that you are selling nationwide or around your area. Let's say, for example, you're selling bags in your area or your state or your province. You can take nice pictures of your bags, post them on your website, put your WhatsApp business number, and let people know where they can find you. Here's the thing, if you are selling bags in your area or in your town, chances are you can only reach people that you know personally, or if those people recommend you to other people. But if you're on TikTok and you have maybe 100 followers, or you get maybe 1,000 views, some of those people are far from your city, you've never met and you'll never meet. So if you have your website on your TikTok, those people that you don't know who are still maybe in your country, they will have access to what you are selling. So you're not making money directly from TikTok, but you're using other platforms to promote your business and consequently making more money. If you are selling locally, it's important that you include your WhatsApp business number, because some people are skeptical about buying online. They may prefer talking to you first via WhatsApp and then they purchase. So give them that option, because you don't want to lose customers. And guys, please don't limit yourselves. If you are selling something in your area, don't be afraid to put a link on TikTok, because you feel like, what if someone in Cape Town orders something or orders that bag that you sell? You can use PEP delivery. If you're going to be delivering nationwide, the best way to go about it is include a delivery fee in your price. You can say free delivery, and when you say free delivery, people think they are getting a bargain. They're gonna buy from you because you said free delivery. But no, you have already included the delivery price. Please don't change your TikTok into your business account. Most people, if not all, are on TikTok for entertainment purposes. People follow you or watch your videos because of your jokes or because of your dances or whatever that you may be doing. So don't change it into a business TikTok, because they may stop watching your videos or even follow you. You want to make sure that when you advertise or when you lead the people to your website, you don't really like advertise, you advertise without advertising. Lastly, you can make money using TikTok by driving your audience to your YouTube channel if you have a channel. On TikTok, you can get 1,000 views even if you have 5 followers. So you want to take your YouTube video, crop the most interesting parts and post it on TikTok. Let people know in the comment section that the full video is on YouTube. They should click the link in bio. If the section that you posted is interesting enough and it has some context, people will click and go check out the full video. If, for example, I were to make a video on YouTube about how much YouTube pay me with 23k subscribers, and on TikTok I only post a section that says, this month with 23k subscribers, YouTube paid me, and I don't say the amount there, best believe at least 1 out of 5 people would click on the link and they will go check. That's why it's important to post only the most interesting parts of your video. That way you can take your TikTok audience who don't know you have a YouTube channel and they can go to your YouTube channel. That side, then you can make money from ad revenue. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me down below, and I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. Bye.